What's good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Hey, I wanted to shoot a video today here, and I wanted to kind of pull back the curtains here and let you guys know in on a quick little marketing system that I've been utilizing here for Easy One Up, and I built a sales funnel with this particular system. I always talk about sales funnels because I talk about ways that you want to brand yourself and make yourself stand out and look different from everyone else. Because you got to think about it, everyone's in the same not everyone's in the same program, but there's a lot of people in this one program that you're involved in, and everyone's utilizing the same capture pages with certain marketing systems. Everyone is utilizing the same marketing system that the company provides. So you really want to set yourself apart, or if you're going to be a leader, if you want to have a team, you really want to have a marketing system in place where you can build and brand yourself. So you can you literally give these pages away to your team. So if anyone, if you were looking for duplication, so that's the main thing that you want to have. If you're going to have an online business, you want to have duplication. You want to have something that people can literally do right away and make money. So the reason that I put this together here is because I wanted to make something different from what everyone else was using. There's a lot of marketing systems out here that you can use. There's a lot of free systems that you guys can utilize with Easy One Up that is out there. But I always think the best way to do it is to brand yourself. So if you're going to bring people in, literally your people can utilize the same marketing system that you're using. With this marketing system that I'm using, which is the Conversion Pros, the Conversion Pros allows you to build sales funnels and capture pages literally around any program that you're involved in. And if you don't have any skills as far as putting pages together, they have a lot of pages already done for you that you can just literally go in and take a look at and change up and make them exactly how you would like to make them. So let me just kind of go in with you guys, and I'm going to show you something really quick here. So we got landing pages and autoresponders. So it just kind of goes into different pages that they do have here. So I want to go into money lifestyle so you can preview it. So this is a capture page. So, for everyone that wants to build their own system, then before anyone could look and go into your VSL or see what exactly it is that you're offering, you at least want to exchange that information first so you can continue marketing to them. I like to use phone numbers as well, simply because I can always text. We have a CRM involved in this particular program as well, which is an app, and you can go in and literally contact your people from the app, and you can make them hot leads, you can make them cold leads, you can pretty much say that you text them, that you email them, a lot of different things that you can do. But what I want to do is show you that a page that I built around Easy One Up here. Okay, so let me pull this up for you guys here really quick here. So here's the page that I built designed for Easy One Up. What I've did here, this is like what I've made was multiple income streams inside of a funnel. And with the funnel, these income streams literally all tie into each other. So what I call this is an instant payment funnel here, okay? So with the first income stream, which is Easy One Up, and there's a webinar right here. So the first video that you see is an actual webinar brought to you by the company. And then I kind of wanted to share some proof and payment proof. So I said, see how others are getting paid. So I show here $1,000 proof. I show one of my videos where I made $500 in 1 hour. Shows Ontarian who made a 2K commission. $100 proof of me again. Show someone else showing $100 commission. Another payment proof of me of the $250 sale, and then just another payment proof of someone else as well. So when they decide, hey, I want to sign up, then what they're going to do, they're going to click sign up for E1U. Okay, so that's going to take them to my particular checkout where they can sign directly up and set up their free account and go and pick in their payment plans. So right here, I have a video where I give a brief description of myself and showing me making commissions as well. So, cool little system right there, right? All right, so let's go back out. So then we go to the next step here. This step is going to actually take you into the Conversion Pros. So the Conversion Pros is going to be where the system that we're actually utilizing right now. And the reason that we want to utilize this system as well, guys, is because you can go and purchase leads from the back office, and you can literally reach out to these people. You can, text them, you can email them, you can call them, and pretty much just give them your business information that you got. And we have training as well in the back office is going to teach you literally how to do all of this. So we're going to show you how to use the system once you come in, and you can definitely get right down to business here. So let's go in here. So these are the different things here. So let's go in here. So I'm going to go back, okay? So once they sign up for the Conversion Pros, they're going to go here where they can sign up for the free system. And then they're going to go here. Okay. Now this is an optional page here. Advertising Boost pretty much was something where you can give away vacation and dinner vouchers. So, you know, you can say, hey, just for taking a look inside of my business, then I want to give you 2 vacation vouchers here for you and someone else. And that's something you can do. Okay. Now if you don't want to use it, you don't have to utilize, and you can particularly take this page off, and then you can set up the system. So in the system here, it's going to teach you, it's going to give you all the codes there. So I'm going to give you literally all the codes that you need as far as setting up the system goes, okay? So once you do that, then you're going to sign, like the bonus training I'm giving here is really showing you all of the, you know, social media ads training that we do have for free training, and then where you can go buy traffic from Udemy as well. So when you sign up for Udemy, anyone that buys solo ads from there, you're going to get a commission also, okay? So I set this up literally for you to make multiple streams of income with this little sales funnel that we put together. So with Easy One Up, you're going to get paid right away. The Conversion Pros, you guys know you're going to get paid once a week with that particular program. Udemy, you're going to get paid. And also with Advertising Booth, once you actually reach $500 in commissions, they pay you out. I mean, $50 in commissions, they actually pay you out there as well. So guys, that's something that you can totally do if you want to give away vacation vouchers, which you don't have to. You can remove that completely out and just have it going directly here. So then you're only setting up for Easy One Up and the Conversion Pros, and then you get them directly to your Udemy link, so then that way they can get traffic as well. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys and put together this whole why I put together this whole funnel here and show you guys that. All right, so let's go here if we wanted to buy leads here. So we want to order leads, right? If we were to order leads here, we're going to say personal lead campaign, and I want male and female. So I go 50 leads here, they're only $39.60, okay? So 50 leads you're getting for $39 right now. And then what you can do, so if we want to have Easy One Up, or we can go to Easy One U, EE1U. These are both systems that I've created. These are both autoresponders for it. So I can use either one of those, so that way once they're in my system, now they're going to get my emails with that particular program, okay? These are the ways that you can pay. So if you have a payment from your credit wallet, you can do it. You can use PayPal or credit card to buy leads. Once your leads are in, then you can pretty much just follow up. You can say your lead status, and it just literally shows you how to do everything there, guys. So that's why I love this system here. Let me check out. I want to show you guys one other thing here. One of the tools. So this is what I was saying, the contact manager. This is going to be the app, the CRM app, which you definitely want to utilize that, guys. So that way you can reach out to a lot of the people here that come into your business, and definitely make sure that you're getting everything with them, okay? You're getting everything there. All right, so I'm gonna wrap this video on up. I just wanted to share with you guys here the marketing system that I have put together for Easy One Up. So Easy One Up is a program that you get paid anywhere between $25 all the way up to $2 grand as far as instant commissions goes. I showed you guys payment proof the other day of other people making commissions. I've just showed you my videos on side of the training that, you know, that you're going to get that particular training as well. I mean, you know, show that proof as well for me that I'm actually making that money as well. So check it out. All right, I'm going to leave the link at the bottom here for you guys to get going here with this system here, and you can definitely let me know if you like it. If you don't want to check it out, that's fine with me as well. But this is for the person, you know, who don't want to go out, who don't know how to go out and build sales funnels, or who don't have Facebook ads experience or anything like that. Okay, I wanted to create this strictly for Easy One Up here, and, you know, for you guys to pretty much maximize your income stream as well. So not just making one income, you're actually going to have a main program, you're going to have a marketing system, and a marketing system where you can buy leads from to advertise your business too. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.